Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to save or export your project in the CapCut PC. So here, if you've already done your editing on the CapCut PC and you want to save it, you can just go to export button at the top right corner, and in here there will be a pop-up box right here in exporting your project. You can change the title, you can choose the folder to export, and also you can change the resolution. For example, I want to just make it 720p, and you can also change the frame rate and other settings in here. And if you want to export also the audio separately, you can just check this button, and to start saving on exporting, you can just click on export button. Okay, so that's it. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.